See, we have been doing a continuous operation. This is a continuous activity. So, the cadres which were coming from the Chhattisgarh after their actions in Chhattisgarh, so we have activated our parties, our greyhounds and other teams in the border areas. So we have been successful in last 4 or 5 months. We have been good successes.
So the warning that you're giving to people who are refusing to come and surrender themselves, because you see increased activities, terrorism is something that the state government is also strongly frowning upon.
Yes, see, country's progress, state's progress. If we have to do, we have to curb the violence with the There are only two ways to do this to ensure the progress. Either the people who are doing violence, they come and surrender to us. We'll help them in rehabilitation. Second is, if they are not doing it, we have to do action, and then country's development and state's development cannot stop with violence. Cannot be stopped.
Sir, you are keenly monitoring the Naxalite movement, and also recently Andhra Pradesh government police have identified the terrorist-related activities in the state. What was the result, and how you are taking up these issues?
So I told you, this is a continuous activity based on the intelligence inputs, whatever are coming to us. We are operating in the field. We have the systems in place.
So how difficult is it to, get the message across for, peace among tribal areas, especially Ali?
So we have been visiting all the villages, and that's why we have been conducting one is the village visits from the police side and revenue side. That's one part of the story. The second part is that we are, involving in the development activities all the people of that area, particularly the youth. Right. So, in fact, if you see that Yogandhara program, those 22,000 students, they are our brand ambassadors to the villages.
Sir, is there any special investigation going on sleeper cell? Because recently two were arrested.
Investigation is going on, further links and all that. It's a meticulous process which takes its own time.
So are there more suspects?
What are the final messages?
So social media also plays a very important game in terms of curbing all of these activities.
Yeah.
How are we looking into this, be it from the cyber cell or from the?
We have been doing campaigns on social media also for this thing. Yes.
Sir, what was your final message or warning to the movers?
Only two options: surrender or you will be neutralized.
जो मेन थिंग जो है कि सर जो जितना भी जो यहाँ पर जो कार्रवाई हो रहा है, इनके पास जो है कि मेन हथियार जो है, इनके पास 303 भी है, AK भी है. अभी जो नया है कि इंसास भी उसका शामिल हो गया. जो इंडियन वेपन्स इंसास भी उनके पास आ रहा है, तो इसके ऊपर कोई कार्रवाई कर रहा है कि
कार्रवाई की जाएगी. वेपन कहाँ से आया, कहाँ से लाए ये लोग, उस पर हम लोग पूरा फोकस कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हर वेपन का एक हिस्ट्री होता है. तो उसमें हम लोग कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं कि वेपन कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट हुआ, इनके पास कैसे पोजीशन में आया, वो सब ये कुछ नहीं कर पाया.
अब फॉरेन फंडिंग भी है क्या नक्सलाइट्स को आंध्र प्रदेश?
See, funding for running any movement, the funding will be there. So those aspects also we are investigating. In every case, we do that.
But are you suspecting international funding?
I can't confirm or deny that.